Learning video editing is very important in these days. Even if you are not interested in becoming a professional filmmaker, it allows you to create short videos from holiday, slideshows, or even edit your own music videos using professional but easy to learn programs. Moreover, I will show you my own custom method of creating unlimited types of video transitions, the same as you can see in professional music videos or YouTube productions. This course will enable your improvement of workflow, skills and design of impressive transitions. You will see how to use the power of Photoshop, Premiere Pro and After Effects to create animated effects or videos. Do not forget that each week I add something new to this course. What are the requirements? Having free or at least one of these programs free as trial version. You can download these programs from adobe.com website. I mean Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop and Adobe After Effects. What is the target audience? If you are familiar with basic video editing techniques in Premiere Pro, this course is adequate for you. If you are a complete beginner, first learn the basics from other courses or video tutorials, then go back and continue your journey with my course. If you prefer using Photoshop or After Effects more than Premiere Pro, you will find also my course very interesting. See you inside and have fun learning new stuff!